If you have an issue with your Frigidaire Gallery Refrigerator not cooling any longer, it's not freezing or it's not cooling, it could be the compressor that's inside the refrigerator, unfortunately. The quickest way to fix that without replacing the compressor is actually doing a soft reset on the refrigerator. So what I want you to do, you have to do two things. If you have enough help, unplug it from the back of the wall and leave it unplugged for a good 20 minutes. Plug it back in and see if that works. If you're not able to get to the back of the refrigerator, go ahead and go to the circuit board in your house and turn it off in the kitchen. Turn off the circuit board and same thing. Wait another 20 minutes and then see if that will make it work. Unfortunately, this does happen to a lot of refrigerators. If your refrigerator is still under warranty, as quickly as you hear my voice, locate that phone number and start getting a request in for warranty repair, because they're very strict on those and they're not going to give you a new refrigerator if it's not under warranty. I know some of them vary. Some of them are a year, some of them are 6 months, some are 2 years. So just see if you're able to get them to fix it, because it's probably the compressor. All right, thanks for watching.